You gotta put it in gear, guy. Alright. Off to a tower. Yep. So I think it's a couple miles, 2-3 miles maybe. But the sun's just starting to peek out. So we got about 50 minutes. It'll be close. Through the woods we go. I should have kept track of how many miles off-road I did. By off-road I mean gravel forest roads or, yeah. Grand view lookout. Whoa. I gotta find somewhere to park. Yay, I'm not shitting in a fucking bag again. There's a van over there, so I might have company. Unless they're up there sleeping. Be kind of weird. Ooh. I really don't like heights, being fucking honest right now. Like, no, I don't. Those are full-size trees. I really don't like heights. Really don't like heights. Plus the shaking and the windy and the lightheadedness and alright, going down, putting stuff away. I do not recommend if you're scared of heights. The view is decent. It was windy, cold. I was shaking. I went up twice because my legs were fucking shaking. Ugh. But, alright, back to the comfy truck. This whole area here is full of campsites and fire rings and stuff, so this must just get packed. I think it said there's a water tank here, so this must be where people can keep their, like, horses and mules while they hang out, because people ride their horses around this area instead of their trucks. Because the horses probably can get more places than the truck, for being 100% honest. But yeah, just gonna drive around today, find a nice spot for tonight, and then go to get a nice shower and probably a grocery store. That's where I came 15 miles down that. Well, I was camped like a mile down that way. We're gonna go this way and see if there's any overlooks over on this side. Or we're just gonna drive this all the way down and cut out somewhere down there and then jump back in when we can. This is more like it. Got some fucking snow, mud. It's nice that it's frozen right now. Later it's gonna be making a mess. We're like up on top of a ridge. There's a big canyon over there, and then that goes down towards the road. We're up on like a bluff right now. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Man, I just love doing this. There's nobody out here, just fucking hanging out. Had to consult the map to see where the fuck I'm going. We're gonna go up and take a right at some point and try to get onto a different forest road to hopefully get through a certain area, but I'm guessing I'm just fucked getting through that area. I might have to go back out to the highway. Unless if I can find a pass. I couldn't yesterday, so I doubt I can today. Just cruising through the woods. Haven't seen a single car since the person camping at the fire overlook thing, or by it. Got 25 miles on this tank of gas, and I filled up right before I went into the woods. It's 8 o'clock, 24 degrees. I've got, I don't know, 20 miles before I get to a road at minimum, probably. So, onward. To the woods we go to lose my mind and find my soul. So I'm gonna keep going south and cut over, but this road says, that one says sharp turns, this one says not maintained for low clearance vehicles. We'll try this one, fuck it. Either way, we're gonna be ending up, well, I don't even know where we're ending up tonight. That's the great part. Well, we're getting traily, but, we'll try it, see what happens. Alright, so here we go. To open. I have to close the gate. Nope, this is the end of the road for me. Huh, that sucks. Okay, I think that's where I came from. Yeah. So we'll try this road now. Well, getting closer. The map on my truck looks alright, I guess. Oh, I think we're starting to make it back towards civilization. It's a pretty nice looking road. Well, rocks up ahead, but nice and easy. At least I was paying attention. It's like, this, I can't tell which one's right. According to my map, this one was not right, but maybe that one was, this one is right, for all I fucking know. But the road I'm trying to take is this one, so we'll take this one. And then when it fails miserably, I'll come back and take this one. How's that for a plan? Well, I bet you my truck really wants to do a regen. Oh well. Sorry, little girl. You got this. Interesting. This is kind of like when I was in Wisconsin. What was that? 2 weekends ago or 1 weekend ago? Was that just a... No, that was 2 weekends ago. Yes. Yes, because I left... Yeah, 2 weekends ago. Man, I've done a lot in 2 weeks. Busy guy. No wonder I'm fucking tired all the time. Crazy how loud that's so loud. I didn't know they were that loud. That's insane how much power is going through there. Whew. From all the maps and everything, this seems like the main way out, but it just keeps like, I had a big like road and now it's a trail again. It doesn't make sense. But I couldn't take the other way because I don't have the correct pass to get into that one spot. So I don't want to deal with it, so I'm just going this way. But I fucking hit that big rock back there. I hope I didn't fucking do any damage. I should have got out and looked at it. But everything seems fine so far. These are some deep fucking ruts. Sorry, I had to shift down into first. It's hard to tell on the map, but I think this is the main way. Guess we'll find out shortly. I might be back. I thought there'd be like main roads by now. We're getting pretty close to the highway, I thought. But whoa. Yeah, I turned around already. That did not look like it was gonna get better. It looked like it was gonna get much worse. So I'm gonna go back through this rock field and go back the other way and then see if that goes through. Because this, oh, there's lots of big rocks in here, right? This is the other side. This is the other way. I just made the Y again. I might have to fold my mirrors pretty quick here. All right, let's try this. Maybe it's just tight until it gets, maybe it's just tight till up to there where it gets straight. I don't know, we'll find out. I think I have the pass to go that way, but I'd rather not mess with it if I don't have to. This is just National Forest land. So we'll try this first. This looks like mostly a road. So, yeah. I didn't get any of that on video, I guess. I got it on Snapchat, but yeah, that was just some rocks. Just some rocks. Holy cow, this looks like a road. Wow, that's neat. That's neat. last dirt road before I hit the main road. And I gotta go south to find some decent internet so I can get some paperwork done for work, I guess. I gotta have it done by Monday, so I might as well do it now before it gets fucking into the weekend. And in case if I can't get signed in, I have to call IT or whatever. But, alright, I'm still heading south. Look at that sky, look at that. Holy cow, we made it. So 6 hours almost, 61.4 miles. I went into the forest about between 1 and 2 miles away from the gas station, and I was on the road for maybe 15 minutes getting my pizza before that. So I did a 60-ish mile loop in almost 6 hours by myself. My truck is needing a regen so bad. It was like fucking, oh, it's not good, but okay. Oh, unlock the hubs quick and then on the road. I feel like now my truck was regenning there, just coughing out smoke. It scared the shit out of me. I jumped in it and started driving it. I feel like now is when it should be fucking regenning. I've never seen white smoke come out of a truck before, but I guess that's just all the fucking DEF and diesel and just shit. That's better for the environment, right? So that's Humphreys Peak right there. Well, behind the trees now, but that's it. Do I want to climb it tomorrow? I don't think my body will do it tomorrow. According to my watch, my body won't do it. I have to give it another day. Or I could just say, fuck it and have to train more next time. I don't know. What should I do? Fuck. I'll have to think about it for a while. Flagstaff, 30 miles. Sugar, Snow Bowl, 23. Okay. Well, let's go check it out, see where we can get to. I just looked at that thing and it says everything's open. My GPS says part of it's closed. I don't know. We'll go see. We'll go see how snowy and nasty it gets too. That was like really icy. And there's a little car coming right now. Impressive. Okay, well, don't be a bitch with your big truck then. Washboard gravel and then ice covered washboard gravel. That's a new scary one. The washboard or ice covered washboard gravel slanted. It's like you start sliding sideways and yeah. This is a very unmaintained road. I feel like another mile before I'm turning off and then maybe the road's closed there. So I'll just see how far a hike it is. I'll have to see how far a hike it is, but I gotta actually hold on with both hands on these roads. I just let a little taco go past. He's just scampering about, but he also weighs less than half of what I do. See you, little buddy. Look at you go. Look at him go. And I'm just struggling back here, shaking everything apart. It's one problem where weight is an issue. These are really horrible. This is really, really horrible. Washboard. I don't like this. Made it to the entrance. It's 120, 39 degrees. I don't know. I think it'll be warmer in there. Colder? I have no idea. Never been in a lava tube. This is like the easiest one though, because you can't get lost and you can't fuck it up, I guess. Fuck, this road is horrible. This one's better than what I have been doing, but ugh. Alright, heading to lava tubes, apparently, maybe, supposedly. It's like, what the fuck am I looking at? I'm confused, but oh, it's like the stairs are right here. Okay. Oh, there's people coming out. Into the cave we go. Whoa. Maybe I should have brought poles. So that's other people going up. Oh, my eyes are not adjusted yet. My eyes are not adjusted. Okay, Hui. Hey. Hey. Fucking smoked my head once now. This looks like it's taller and flatter. Lava tube, okay. This is cool. This is I don't know. This might be cooler than Mammoth Cave. Just because you're not with a fucking group of people. Just saying. I'll put it out there. People are gonna get angry. Oh wow, this is holy cow. Whoa. Oh, that's oh yeah, way cooler now. Holy shit. I'm in pure black right now. Like I can I don't even remember what I'm looking at right now. Wall. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. That is incredibly pretty. But more people. Oh wow. Look how far out they are. Can you even see them? That's 3x up. Nope, they're gone. Okay. I came from that way. There's a left and there's a right. I've seen people go that way. I'm gonna go this way. Look it. We'll be different. Go left. When everybody goes right, go left. I mean, sometimes you should follow the pack. No, I shouldn't jump off the bridge with people. I'm just mumbling. But man. Okay. So I came from this way. So I took a left. I think that's where I came from. So this is the left, and on the way back I'll take that way and right? Yeah. Left. Always just keep taking lefts. I think you're supposed to always take rights. But oh man, look how big this one is. It probably looks tiny on the fucking camera. I should have brought my fucking thing so I could have went and stood out there. That's huge. Maybe I do gotta get going. Wow. Oh, nobody's out there. Huh. I don't really, I can't, I had to get my other, it's like, I can't see down. I can't. I actually had to crawl on all four through that part, but now it's back real tall. I don't think I'm gonna climb Humphreys tomorrow. I might go do another hike around here though. Might look up some ideas, or maybe there's a visitor center. Oh, is there people? Maybe not. But so I wasn't sure if you should go through. Most of the guys stopped right where I'm at, right here. So they all sat out there and ate. There was two that came to like here. And I was like, you guys think we are supposed to go through here? And they're like, no. I'm like, are you sure? And none of them even got close to this part. But like, you could for sure belly crawl back there for a long fucking way. I'm just saying. But apparently, I'm a little crazy because they all said, no, man, this is like the end. And they'd like just like, it's fucking hard, okay. Do people just not explore, like not care? I believe I almost forgot. Kickstarts in cool places. I mean, come on, fucking. How do you forget the kickstarts? Ooh, videoing, and I'm drinking a kickstart. This is fucking sketchy fucking territory here. The phone can't even fucking do it. Barely. The red light. Let my eyes, give my eyes a break. There's not much you can see though. Fucking, this is the ducking part. It's duck. Can I? Oh, I can just barely crouch. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, standing. Drinking. Looks like it's ready to fucking just break off. Well, again, I can't say it enough. %, better than Mammoth Cave. I've been down here for I don't know fucking how long, just fucking hanging out, wandering around. You can just sit in the dark. Well, during busy season you probably can't, but I could just sit in the dark for as long as I pretty much wanted. But I don't know where to go next or what to look up. Probably go to Planet Fitness next, I guess. Or I could look up steam rooms, I guess. I don't know, I guess I can walk through this one. Yeah. I believe I came down from down there. So where does this one go? We'll check this one out now. Left, left, left. Oh, that was a good picture though. I'm actually confused now. I've been going left the whole time, so I should have. In theory, I gotta go this way. Right? I was making lefts the whole time. This doesn't feel right. I don't know. Well, I'm a little lost. Unless if this should come out. If this doesn't come out, then I'm lost. Okay, I'm convinced this part does a loop. We're gonna try this way. I'm a little lost right now. This feels like the right way, though. This feels like the right way. And then I should get to a Y down here and take another left. And I think I'll be out. I think. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, that first sign of light, actually. That first sign of light is actually kind of relieving. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. It appears like my best plan is just to take the same frickin' road all the way back out, which kind of sucks to backtrack a shitty, bumpy fucking road. But here we are. That's what we're gonna be doing. And then we'll scout a little bit, maybe see what we want to do with the mountain tomorrow. Yep. Up the hill we go. This is the Planet Fitness and Flagstaff that everybody bitches about no overnight parking, which is no big deal. Alright, got a nice shower, stretched, and got a little bit of food that I needed or wanted. Didn't need it, well, some of it I did, I guess. But now we're going to find a camping spot. Got 15 miles on the highway, and then we'll cut off. Unless if I think something else earlier, but that seemed like a safe bet. Lots of options in the morning to run around. I decided to cut off early and just go up the hill and see what happens. It's fucking dark out though. I might actually struggle here to see shit, but we'll just keep an eye out. First open spot, we'll be fine. Sorry, I probably wasn't fucking holding it there. But we'll go a few miles. Okay, I get the fuss with the stupid diesel heater. This is really nice. It's a nice warm, dry heat on my feet. Oh, it feels so good. Pizza, and I have strawberries. Healthy. Yeah. Diesel heater. It's so nice. But I got service tonight. Got a plan-ish for tomorrow. Eat some dinner.